Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brashley.
Shopping edition!
That's right, shopping edition. So what we're going to do today, thanks to Organic Garage, we're going to actually show you how to navigate a grocery store, how to pick the right produce and how to pick the right products so that our weight loss and our New Year's resolution goals stay on track. Okay guys? So come on with us and let's do it. Come on. So again, Ashley and I usually stick to a vegetarian diet throughout the day kind of thing. We get a lot of green, we get a lot of produce in this, but for dinner sometimes when we want to mix it up and have a little protein, we choose the right types of protein, okay? So here at Organic Garage, we have a ton of different great choices of protein. We have organic chicken, okay? Then we have grass-fed beef.
So another thing I always buy a bag of, probably at least 2 bags a week, are these organic raw shrimp. So I use these in a lot of my meals. The best part about them is because they're organic, they're not farmed. So you know that like when you're eating it, you're not gonna get like the gross like pellet fed shrimp. Also, because these ones are raw, I find that they absorb a lot more flavors when I am cooking. You can buy here the cooked ones as well, but you might not get as much flavors as raw.
Okay, so one of the things Ashley and I like to do for dinners, okay, we like to slow roast a whole organic chicken, okay? This is a pro tip. You do this throughout the day, slow roast it for 6 to 8 hours with some vegetables. Then you have meals for the protein, 2 to 3 meals, okay? So,